Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Suffield local and long distance movers near me. A move of more than 50 miles is generally considered a long distance move. This distance can sometimes be between states or interstate. To carry out a long distance relocation successfully, one must plan well and understand the physical terrain. When it comes to getting your belongings to their destination, we can guarantee punctuality. 3 Movers is a dependable and cost effective company. We're also well prepared to deal with the difficulties of a long distance move. Our drivers are courteous and well trained to put you at ease during all of your contacts. Besides long distance relocations, we also excel at relocating locally. Our hourly prices for local moves range between $30 and $40. Our prices are not only reasonable, but we also make sure that you get your money's worth from our services. We can navigate congested cities without causing damage to your property. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Suffield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.